Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS DMS to MySQL for data migration to Redshift detailed guide. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Database Migration Service, known as AWS DMS. Click on Database Migration Tasks in the DMS dashboard. Select Create Migration Task. Fill in the task name in the designated field. Choose the source database endpoint for your MySQL instance. If you haven't already created the source endpoint, click on Create Endpoint. Enter the necessary connection details for your MySQL database, test the connection to ensure it is set up correctly. Once confirmed, save the endpoint. Next, select your target database endpoint, which should be your Amazon Redshift cluster. Similar to the previous step, if you have not created the Redshift endpoint, click on Create Endpoint. Input the details for your Redshift cluster, such as the cluster identifier, database name, username, and password. Conduct a connection test for the Redshift endpoint as well. After confirming your connection, save the target endpoint. Return to the migration task setup and select both your source and target endpoints. Now, choose the migration type according to your needs, either migrate existing data and replicate ongoing changes, or replicate ongoing changes only. Configure table mappings for the data you want to migrate. This involves specifying which tables and schemas in MySQL should transfer to your Redshift instance. You can use the visual mapping tool for easier configuration or input JSON for advanced settings. Set up any transformation rules if needed to modify the data format during migration. Review the task settings to ensure all configurations are correct. Once you are satisfied, click on Create Task to proceed. Locate your newly created migration task in the DMS dashboard. Select the task and click on Start to begin the data migration process. Monitor the migration task for any potential errors by checking the task's status and logs. Once the migration is complete, validate the data in your Redshift cluster to confirm accuracy. Lastly, ensure you clean up any resources you no longer need to avoid incurring unnecessary costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.